Introducing the Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel 1-inch D-handle high-torque impact wrench with extended anvil, a tool that stands out for its design and functionality. Milwaukee Electric has built a reputation for producing durable and reliable tools, and this model seems to align well with that standard. The M18 Fuel high-torque impact wrench is designed to deliver exceptional performance in various applications. It operates on the M18 battery system, which offers users flexibility and convenience, particularly for those already using other tools from the Milwaukee lineup. This compatibility can be a significant advantage, especially for professionals needing to switch between multiple tools throughout a workday. This impact wrench features a D-handle design, which provides an ergonomic grip. The shape allows for easier maneuverability and control, making it suitable for both overhead applications and tight spaces where precision is paramount. The extended anvil is another noteworthy feature, enabling users to reach deeper into tight spots and tackle challenging fastening tasks effectively. One of the standout characteristics of the M18 Fuel model is its power. It is engineered to deliver up to 1,800 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 2,000 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. This high torque output makes it a viable option for heavy-duty tasks, such as automotive work or construction projects, where robust performance is required. The tool also incorporates Milwaukee's proprietary power-state brushless motor technology, which is designed for increased efficiency and a longer lifespan. In terms of usability, the tool is equipped with a friction ring for quick socket changes, which can enhance productivity on the job. The integrated LED light adds visibility, an important feature when working in dimly lit environments. Users may find that these attributes contribute positively to their overall working experience. In summary, the Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel 1-inch D-handle high-torque impact wrench with extended anvil appears to be a well-designed tool suited for a range of heavy-duty applications. Its combination of power, ergonomic design, and features tailored for efficiency may make it a worthwhile consideration for both professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable impact wrench.